Light is where innovation begins, and also the answer. Based in Anji, Zhejiang, the birthplace of the lucid waters and lush mountains philosophy, Fengling New Materials Tech Co., Limited, is dedicated to advancing UV curing technologies that deliver reliable bonding and protection solutions for industries worldwide. From medical device assembly and UV curing applications, to PCB and 3-proof barriers for 5G communications and new energy vehicles, surface treatment of special composites. Every application deserves a precise solution. Fengling Materials provides more precise solutions. Medical needle, catheter, optical lens, electronic component, or energy storage system catheters, optical lenses. Every product undergoes rigorous validation from laboratory research to large-scale industrial production. Backed by collaborations with leading research institutions and national key laboratories, we transform scientific innovation into scalable manufacturing solutions that create real-world value. At our R&D center, advanced testing equipment operates with uncompromising precision. On the production line, every process strictly follows international standards. ISO 10993, RoHS, REACH and other globally recognized certifications are more than compliance requirements. They reflect our commitment to safety, quality, and technological excellence. And faith in technology. Driven by independent innovation, Fengling has built a strong portfolio of proprietary technologies and patents. In medical, electronic and energy composites, and core scenarios, continuously break through tech barriers, respond to every trust with a traceable quality system. At Fengling, we don't follow trends, we help shape the future. We help define the future of advanced materials. Through the power of light, we connect industries to a safer future. Website, www.uvcringlue.com. Email, sales@uvcringlue.com. Custom UV adhesive solutions. For electronics, medical, optical industries. Point 4.